In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use line breaks in Google Sheets efficiently. Whether you're working on a simple list or managing complex data, understanding line breaks can significantly enhance the clarity and organization of your worksheet. Let's dive into the process and ensure you're using these tools to their full potential. First, let's kick things off by opening a Google Sheet. This is your primary workspace where all your data entries and manipulations take place. If you haven't already, go ahead and launch your Google Sheets application and open up a new or existing sheet that you want to work with. Once your spreadsheet is visible on your screen, we'll move to cell B2. Clicking on cell B2 will allow us to enter a formula that we'll be using in just a moment. Formulas are the backbone of many tasks in Google Sheets, enabling us to perform complex calculations, conversions, and much more with ease. In cell B2, we'll type in the following formula, equals Google Translate, open parentheses, A2, comma quote, unquote, comma quote, J quote, close parentheses. This formula translates the text from cell A2 from English to Japanese, using Google's translation capabilities directly within your sheet. After entering the formula, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action finalizes the formula and prompts Google Sheets to perform the translation task you've specified. You should now see the translated text appear in cell B2 if everything was entered correctly. Next, we're going to leverage an incredibly useful feature known as autofill. Instead of manually doing this for every cell, use this time-saving function to apply the formula to a series of cells quickly. Simply hover over the bottom right corner of the cell containing your formula until you see a small blue square. Click and drag this square downwards to apply the formula to additional cells in column B, performing the same translation for each respective pair. Now, shift your focus to cell C2. Here, click on the cell to prepare for another variation of the translation formula. In this cell, we're going to translate English to French. So, type in equals Google Translate, open parentheses, A2, comma quote, end quote, comma quote, far quote, close parentheses. Again, hit the Enter key to execute the formula in cell C2. You should immediately see the translated content from English to French appearing in the cell. The last step involves using the autofill function yet again. This time, it will apply the French translation formula down the column just like we did previously. Drag the blue square from cell C2 downwards over the cells where you want the translation applied. And there you have it. You can now effectively use line breaks and translation formulas efficiently in Google Sheets. Practice these steps to become more proficient, ensuring that your data is always presented in the best possible way. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this instruction helpful. Happy spreadsheeting!